Drinking olive oil on an empty stomach for 7 days. Olive oil is packed with a lot of vitamins, fatty acids and macronutrients. This oil is very valuable for our health when you drink 1 tablespoon of olive oil on an empty stomach. Number 1. Detox the liver. The liver performs a very important role for the body. It cleans our internal systems, and sometimes we need to clean the liver itself. You can do this easily with olive oil. Take 2 tablespoons of olive oil and mix with the juice of half a lemon. Consume this every morning on an empty stomach. Number 2. Decrease bad cholesterol level. Olive oil helps reduce the level of bad cholesterol, LDL, by increasing the good cholesterol level, HDL. Drinking olive oil on an empty stomach helps cleanse arteries from bad cholesterol and keep cardiovascular disease away. Number 3. Heals the colon. Olive oil prevents cells from damage, which leads to cancer. It helps improve the digestive health and provides relief from constipation. Number 4. Better hair, skin, nails and bones. Olive oil is also beneficial for hair, nails, skin and bones. This oil repairs, moisturizes, nourishes and promotes hair and nail growth. We can use it as a skin or hair mask, but olive oil will be more helpful if you consume it internally. Number 5. Weight management. Olive oil contains fatty acids. By drinking this healthy fat, you will feel fullness for a long time and provide you with energy as well. If you are a butter lover, this is the best alternative for you. Number 6. Controls blood sugar level. Olive oil lowers cholesterol and blood glucose level significantly. Therefore, olive oil is very useful for diabetes and heart health. Number 7. Strengthens the immune system. The fatty acids in the olive oil play a major role in various immune functions. They help regulate and support our immune system and also help in getting rid of autoimmune diseases. Number 8. Reduces inflammation. Olive oil works superbly to reduce inflammation in the body. Research has shown that drinking 3 tablespoons of olive oil acts as effectively as a dose of ibuprofen. Number 9. Protects the brain. Olive oil helps decrease the risk of many diseases, such as depression, mental disease and Alzheimer's. It boosts our memory and overall brain health. Number 10. Enlarge the size of breasts. Olive oil will be extremely beneficial when you use it for enlarging purposes. Drink 2 tablespoons of olive oil on an empty stomach and massage your chest area in a circular motion for 10 to 15 minutes every day. Start massaging from outside to inside. This method will accelerate the blood flow in this region and stimulate the growth and increase elasticity in 15 days.